My name is Mark Underhill. I'm the founder of From The Anvil. We started making anvil products 25 years ago. We have been working on our period collection, constantly trying to improve our products. And the stainless steel range is definitely the pinnacle of my career. Well, some years ago, I was on holiday in St Ives and I noticed all the rusty ironmongery on these beautiful houses. So at that point then I decided I wanted to create a product that would last and look as good for generations. Our marine grade stainless steel is the best resistant material. It's ideal for salty areas, salt breeze coming across or by a busy road. The material itself is the finish. You don't have to put an applied finish on it. You just take it, you make it, you manufacture it, and you polish it. And that's all you really need. And it's still tricky, but that's all you need to do. When you forge steel, you realign the structure of the steel, which makes it much stronger than if you cast it. It allows you to stretch and shape into beautiful sections like this, which creates, I think, a more organic shape. And the most enjoyable part was really making it happen. To be honest, I never thought it was possible, but we tried. Incredible blacksmiths, incredible skills, but the most enjoyable part was making the impossible possible. I really enjoyed that. From the very start, I've always enjoyed making quality products. I've been so lucky because we have a highly skilled team now, pushing themselves and making wonderful products. 10 years in the making the impossible possible.